Every Auburn Speedster that left the factory in 1935 came with a brass dashboard plaque, signed by name by a real test driver, guaranteeing this specific car had been personally driven above 100 miles per hour before it reached the customer. Not a marketing claim, a signed individual promise. Here's what nobody expected. That tradition just returned. The 2026 Auburn Speedster arrives with the same boat tail, the same exposed exhausts, and that same signed plaque, except the number on it is no longer 100 miles per hour. So ask yourself this: when was the last time a car company put an actual name behind an actual promise?
Next on this channel, 2026 Stutz Bearcat Revival, the American sports car that terrified Europe, returns. The Bearcat's racing record was so dominant that European manufacturers lobbied for rule changes specifically to slow it down. Subscribe now because that story starts where this one ends. Chrome slats rising in a slight V-shaped grille, round LED headlights, and chrome pods on the fenders, exactly where they sat in 1935. The hood is extraordinarily long, with twin chrome exhaust pipes running visibly along each side. Functional, loud, unapologetic about both.
The boat tail is the whole story. Body widens at the doors, then tapers dramatically to a pointed tail, a silhouette no other car has successfully borrowed without looking like a copy. 21-inch spoke-style alloys, a low wraparound windshield giving the car a permanently forward-leaning stance, even at a standstill. A rounded tail point, small chrome Auburn badge, single round LED lamp each side, twin exhausts in polished steel beneath a chrome bumper. From behind, this car looks like it's already moving. Polished mahogany dashboard, cream analog gauges in a tight, purposeful cluster, knurled aluminum gear selector beside chrome toggle switches that click with mechanical certainty modern touchscreens cannot replicate. 2 bucket seats only, tobacco leather, contrast cream stitching, built to hold you rather than accommodate you. The heritage detail, a brass plaque on the dashboard, signed by the chief test engineer by name, certifying this specific car was driven above 150 miles per hour before leaving the factory. 6 months of internal debate to approve that tradition returning. Every month justified. Because this is the only car in the current luxury market where someone put their actual signature on your car's actual performance. Supercharged 5.0-liter V8, 550 horsepower, 680 newton meters, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive only. 0 to 100 in 3.6 seconds. Top speed, 290 kilometers per hour, well above the number on that signed plaque. The original supercharged straight 8 made 150 horsepower and felt violent for 1935. This engine triples that. And the supercharger whine, distinct, immediate, completely addictive, becomes the only sound you want to hear on an empty road with no particular destination. The Auburn Speedster Classic opens at $178,000. The 851 signed edition, 851 units globally, referencing the original model designation, begins at $224,000, each arriving with the signed brass plaque and a leather-bound record of its factory test run. It sits alongside the Aston Martin DB12 Volante and Porsche 911 Speedster, but neither of those ships with a name signed to it. The 2026 Auburn Speedster
revived one thing before it revived anything else: accountability. A signed name on a brass plate that says, "We drove this car to its limit before it reached yours." Does that make it the most honest car in the luxury segment right now? Tell us below. Next, 2026 Stutz Bearcat Revival. Subscribe because that car made an entire continent uncomfortable, and the story is better than you expect. They signed every single one, because when you build something this honest, you put your name on it.